DIY with Chris, giving you the tools to do it yourself. Okay, I'm doing a review on the Sylvania flexible light kit. We got this at Costco for about $50. It was just under that. It's an 8-foot long LED. It has 4 2-foot strands that can connect. You can connect up to 10 of them total. It does dim. It has variations of red, green, blue, and white lights for a total of 15 colors plus white. It does connect to electricity with a regular wall plug-in. It has an adhesive backing, and it can be cut at 6-inch intervals. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and dismiss the fact that it strobes on the camera. It is a solid light. So there's the green, and then there's red, blue, and white. They actually have settings on here to where it can cycle through different colors. So it'll flash, strobe, fade, and it fades into different colors, or there's the smooth. So it does have a lot of different options on it. I'm going to take you over a little bit closer. So I do have it mounted here. As you can see on there. And this is the receiver for it, so it does have a box with some screws on it, so you just have to screw it in there. And I just have this mounted on the bottom of my counter. So with the lip that goes all the way around is what I have this tucked to, and that's that adhesive backing that I have it. So it's pretty well hidden unless you're at that level. So it does go all the way, and usually that cord is tucked up under there a little bit more, and I just have it going up over the counter into the plug-in that's right on the other side. So this has been a wonderful project for us. We actually have it in the bedroom too. So we've got a couple of these different products. So we really like it, and it actually works really great, and we really like all the light options. So I hope this has helped you out. We enjoy it very much, and I'd recommend it to anybody.